You can graph the solution to inequalities on a number line. The way to do this, so let's look at the first expression there. X is less than -1. So it's going to be all the values to the left of -1 here. And so what you would do is you just write like a pointing arrow indicating that all these and continuing on down the negative line are going to be satisfying this inequality here. And because, as you see, it does not equal, but it's less than, what you do is you go to the -1 and you draw an empty circle there. The empty circle says that it does not include -1, so it's not equal to -1. And then when you draw the arrow, just an arrow like this, what the arrow says is that it does not include -1, but everything to the left of it, or everything that is more negative than -1. Now look at this expression or inequality to the right. It's the same thing, but instead it has an underscore here. So it means x is less than or equal to -1. It's very similar, except now you need to include -1. To do that, you don't write an empty circle, but you do a solid circle. So you would just fill in this circle right here, and that's how you graph it. And say if you were going to do maybe x is greater than 1, in that case you look for the +1. So here it is right here. Let's draw an empty circle because it's not equal to, it's just greater than that. And we know it's going to be everything more positive or greater. So that's going to go to the right. So you would just create another arrow that points out that way. And that's what you would draw to graph the solution for this inequality. And if it had an underscore, if it was greater than or equal to it, it would simply fill in this little circle to include +1. And that's how you graph a solution.